This brief manual tutorial is to help you get started. Using a web-based browser, xStation enables you to trade anywhere you wish, giving you access to real-time prices and technical analytics for Forex, commodities, indices, and equities from one platform. Clicking on the xStation icon on the XTB website will let you log into your personal account. How to log in? Clicking on the platform icon on the XTB website will let you log into your personal account. When you first log into the platform, a risk disclaimer will be displayed. In order to proceed, you will need to read it carefully. Tick Accept and then click OK. This disclaimer will not appear in the future. In the future, when you would like to log in, simply type your password in the password box. To log out, click the Exit button in the upper right corner of the screen. It will log you out and take you back to the login page. Account Settings. To set your account, click on Your Account button at the upper menu and choose Account Settings. Show Click and Trade Warning enables and disables Trade Warning window. Default Charts Trading Amount. Set the default trading size. Show Trade Confirmation. Display trade confirmations after placing a trade. Play sounds. Sounds can be enabled or disabled. Language settings and font size settings. The default platform language is set according to the system language settings. You can change the language as well as font size in the Settings menu. Platform functionality allows storing, updating, or deleting of your layouts and one default layout, which cannot be modified. Layout setting. Add or remove windows such as open positions, history, etc. Toggle on/off. Same as layout setting. Select layout. All your saved layouts can be selected here. Manage layouts. Save and modify layouts. Your account. Check and manage your personal data. Main screen overview. Market Watch window. The first time you log into the platform, it opens on the default layout, displaying the following windows: Market Watch, Click and Trade, Chart, Portfolio Summary, Market Info. You can customize the platform to fit your preference. To do so, left-click and hold the sides of a window to adjust to the desired size. To maximize or minimize the window sizes, either double-click the top bar of a selected window or select the Maximize button on the window. Any changes you make to your preferences will be saved to a remote server and will be used the next time you log into the platform, regardless of where you initiate the session. The Market Watch window displays live quotes of currency pairs, commodities, indices, and equity CFDs. You can also customize the view on the Market Watch list by right-clicking and selecting the fields you would like displayed, such as bid price, ask price, spread, high-low, and time of the last update. All the instruments, except for the default and favorite tabs, are grouped by asset classes, for example, Forex, indices, commodities, equity CFDs, or by sectors, for example, energy, majors. You can easily expand, collapse all of the groups by right-clicking anywhere in the Market Watch area. Each group can also be expanded, collapsed manually by double-clicking the selected group. The search option lets you look for the instruments available through the platform. You can search by instrument code or name. You can create your own additional Market Watch list tabs and set up your own personalized watch lists. On the Watch List window, click plus from the top bar. Type a unique name for the new tab in the tab name field and click OK. In Platform, you can insert your chosen instruments into your personalized watch list by using either drag and drop or by clicking the arrow keys. To save the new setting, click OK. All the selected instruments will now be listed in the newly created tab. You can customize the Market Watch List window at any time. To do so, right-click anywhere on the window and select Personalize Tables View. Click and Trade window. Real-time bid, ask prices appear in the trading box for each instrument. To add an instrument to the Click and Trade window, simply drag a name of a selected instrument from either the Market Watch List window or a chart. You can add a maximum of 12 instruments. The Click and Trade mode enables you to execute market orders without using the order tickets. By right-clicking on any place in the Click and Trade window, you can change the size of the trading boxes to fit your preference. Charts. The interactive charts allow you to view live prices for one of 8 time periods, 1 to 15 minutes, 1 to 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. You can select one of 4 chart types: line, HLC, OHLC, and candlestick, and zoom into the date to view a portion of the time period using an interactive slider built into the chart. To add a new chart, drag a selected instrument from the Market Watch list or the Click and Trade window and drop it to the Charts window. Interactive charts allow you to change the chart type, change the time period, highlight a specific data point, change the zoom level, change the time scale, scroll left and right. Note that you must have Adobe Flash version 10.0 or higher to view interactive charts. The interactive chart includes the following information: the open, high, low, and close prices. Point the cursor over a selected area of the chart. The date and time range on the bottom of the chart. The price trading lines for open transactions. Any chart you add into the platform is displayed as a candlestick chart. You can change the chart type to OHLC, open, high, low, close, HLC, or line. To change the chart types, select a type from the Chart Type drop-down list as shown in the picture below. Select a time period and chart type from the drop-down lists. You can change the time period of a chart to any of the following using the Time Period drop-down list: M equals minutes, H equals hours, D equals days, W equals weeks, MN equals months. 1M, 5M, 15M, 1H, 4H, 1D, 1W, 1MN. To change the time period, select a period from the Time Period drop-down list and choose the time period you want. You can highlight a specific data point by moving the cursor over the chart. To change the zoom level, use the zoom buttons at the top of the chart to automatically change the time scale. View data for the maximum time period currently available, or zoom to view data for smaller time periods as indicated by the zoom buttons. By default, a chart displays data for the maximum time period. Scroll the chart left and right by dragging your mouse anywhere in the chart. You can customize the chart's view at any moment. To do so, right-click any place on a chart and select Personalize Charts View. Market Info Window. Market Info Window chart includes the following functionality: News. Platform gives you access to real-time news feeds from leading news providers from global markets. Mailbox allows you to view messages sent directly from XTB. Calendar informs you of economic data, date of publication, previous readings, and market consensus. Trading Portfolio Window. This window enables you to manage your current positions, modify, cancel, or browse the history of your transactions. It is divided into 3 main parts: open positions, pending orders, history. Open positions. All open positions can be viewed in the Open Positions tab in the Trading Portfolio window. This window sorts all open positions by instrument. When you have multiple positions open for the same instrument, the Open Positions window will automatically compound these individual trades. This allows multiple orders of the same instrument to be grouped together to display information regarding overall number of lots, average open price, as well as the profit and loss. You can easily expand, collapse all the groups by right-clicking anywhere in the Open Positions box area and choosing Expand All, Collapse All option. Each group can be also expanded, collapsed manually by double-clicking the selected group. You can also add stop loss and take profit orders from this window to your open positions. Open positions. The platform allows you to customize the order of the columns to fit your preference. To do so, left-click on the column, for example, type, and drag it to the position on the screen where you would like it to be docked. The average open price and profit is calculated from each consolidated position. A long or short position can be closed or reduced from this window, but not increased. If you want to increase the exposure on an instrument, you will need to open a new position. With equities CFD DMA, you cannot be long and short of the same instrument simultaneously. If you decide to place a trade in the opposite direction of your current exposure, it will close part or all of your position in the order of the oldest open position being closed first. The following information is available for the Open Positions window: order, transaction number, Type: buy long position or sell short position. Lots: size of the transaction in lots. Open time: time of opening the transaction. Open price: price at which the transaction was opened. SL: stop loss. TP: take profit. Commission: cost of transaction. Market price: current price of the instrument. Bid for a buy, ask for a sell. Profit: gain or loss, loss with a minus sign. Comment: user's comment. Swap: swap points. Symbol: name of the instrument. Login: user's login. Close time: time of closing the transaction. Expiration: expiration time set by the user. Spread: the difference between ask and bid price. Timestamp: time the trade was executed. Close: in option to close the transaction. Pending orders. In the pending orders window, you can modify orders, buy limit, sell limit, stop buy, stop sell, and delete pending orders. The History tab shows the closed transactions. At the bottom of the screen, you can choose the time period of your transaction history. You can also print the report into PDF format. Account Summary. The Account Summary bar displays real-time information about your trading account. Balance: the account value. Equity represents account balance plus the total sum of current unrealized gains and losses. Margin determines what amount is taken as collateral for opened orders. Free margin: the amount of funds in the investment account that can be used in the future as margin for open transactions. It is calculated from the difference between balance or equity, the lower of the two, and margin. Margin level represents the ratio between margin balance and the absolute sum of all open positions. The ratio is expressed in percentage. Profit: the profit of all open positions calculated at the current rate. This amount changes as the rate fluctuates. Trading functionality. Order ticket. Depending on the trading account type, you can create orders in platform for Forex, commodities, indices, and equity CFD. The orders can be placed from the market watch list, click and trade, and charts, or from open position windows. Platform supports a variety of order types, including instant execution, pending order, stop loss, take profit, limit order. Order ticket. To place a trade, double-click on an instrument within Market Watch. A new order ticket will be opened. Select a volume from the drop-down list, or alternatively, you can type the volume. A large number of lots need to be approved by the XTB trading desk prior to execution. Click the bid or offer buttons to execute a trade. For larger trades, click the request button and wait for the trader desk's response. When you get a response, you have 5 seconds to approve or reject your transaction. After approval, a pop-up box confirms that the deal was successfully executed. The transaction is displayed in the Open Positions tab in Trading Portfolio. Click and Trade functionality. The easiest way to place a market order is to use the Click and Trade window. To place a trade, double-click on the current bid offer to execute the trade. Please read the risk warning message before you place your first order. Using the Click and Trade option, it will appear in pop-up window. The volume of your trade can be changed in scroll menu, or you can type the amount. When requesting a large number of lots, some transactions need to be approved by the XTB trading desk prior to execution. Either click the request button located at the top of the ticket or double-click the bid offer and wait for the dealer's response. When you get a response from the dealer, you have 5 seconds to approve or reject your transaction. When you approve the transaction, a pop-up window confirms that the deal was successfully executed. Placing the orders from the charts. You can place a pending order directly from the charts window. Right-click on the selected instrument's chart to place the order. Select a type of transaction: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. A new order ticket will be opened. The newly placed pending order will be displayed in Pending Orders tab in Trading Portfolio. You can also change the default transaction size from the account settings. Placing the orders from Trade Ticket. You can also place an order from the Market Watch window. Double-click the instrument. This will open a trade window. Change the execution type to Pending Order from Instant Execution. Once you have changed the execution type to pending, select your order type from the drop-down menu. Then select the price either by using the arrow buttons or type the price where you would like your order to be executed. Also select the order expiry date and time and then click Place Order. Adding limits, stops to open positions. Limit stops can be attached to an open position, which can automatically close a position when the market reaches a specified level. Normally, a stop loss is used to automatically close an open position before additional losses can be incurred, and take profit is used to automatically lock in trading profits. You can also set limits to a transaction while modifying an order. Adding limits to pending orders. Limit stop orders can also be attached to a pending order. To do this, click on the Pending Orders tab in the Portfolio Summary window. Click on the Add buttons under Stop Loss and Take Profit columns. Modifying orders. Once an order has been placed, the order level can be modified by double-clicking a highlighted transaction in the Open Orders window. An order ticket is displayed and all parameters can be modified. Click on the Modify button after all the modifications have been made. Once the trade is completed, the updated information will be reflected in the Open Positions window. It is important to note that you can only change limit stop prices for existing trades. If you wish to change the order size or instrument, you must cancel the existing order and enter a new one. Alternatively, you can click the Stop Loss or Take Profit value to modify the order. Closing position. To close an open position, click on the close box X, which can be located on the right-hand side of each open position in the Open Positions window. Select the number of lots to be closed in the pop-up window and click OK. Additional way to close an open position. Double-click an open position listed in Open Positions window. Select number of lots to be closed and click the Close button.